Hello, Rashid. Welcome to Skydive Dubai. How are you?
Well, excited.
Excited. Why? Because we're gonna go jump out of an airplane?
Well, my childhood dream, you know, flying, whatever it is. So, of course, excited.
Oh,
and first time, of course, this.
Yeah, first time skydiving over the palm here in Dubai. Sounds good?
Yeah, so far it's good. It's good. It's good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
And did you understand all the instructions?
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No, nothing so far.
All right, brother. Then let's go.
We'll see. Let's
Give me
try.
a high five. I'll
Thank
see
you.
you outside. Bye. Yeah, Rashid, welcome back, brother. You did it.
That was so amazing.
Woo!
Oh my god.
We do it again?
It was amazing.
Yeah, all right. Get together, guys. One more photo, big smile here. Thank you so much for choosing Skydive Dubai.